welcome back to my channel. This is 𝚘𝚘 Pradeep here, and after a long time I'm back with another video. This time we are going to get creative. I'm going to be showing you how to draw a sunset scenery. I have named it the Swans of Love. So let's get started. The materials required are an A4 size paper, masking tape. I don't have masking tape available at my home right now, so I'm using normal tape. You can do that too. Then we need pen tube oil pastels. It consists of 50 pastels, but you don't have to compulsorily use this brand. You can use any brand you have. Then we need pencils, drawing pencils to be exact, and we don't need all, so I'm just gonna take the darkest pencil we have, and as always I have 6B. So let's get started. So before we start coloring and doing all the shading and stuff, we need to draw a circle, and the radius of the circle will become 7 centimeters. So diameter obviously will become 14 centimeters.